Himari Rongphar is preparing to host the annual Chojun to propitiate his ancestor spirits and guardian deities. This ritual and such innumerable worships are performed by priests or kurusar, who are ritual experts. Mr. Rongphar, who himself a kurusar, is performing the Chojun. Chojun is one of the most important household rituals performed by Karbis. It is mandatory for the head of a family to perform this ceremony 3 times in his lifetime, known as Ove-isi. It is called Vopong. When the ceremony is held for the first time, it is called Vopong Ki'e, or initiation, which is followed by Vopong Kepangbong, or intermediate.
Karbi atum tire man pathi upu itum kachinia bangela puanlo ajat ase karki aprans tame guru kan horjbi nahi guru mate siamen than dekan arna mamen than dekan lahaya tum kan se guru lo la pen lahaya tum ke tum tirim lo na se ajat ase karki aprans tame guru horjbi der matike Sertly Pangchengche. Possible doctor, Tirema fan iltum, Kroy, Lavang, Swan Tech, iltum Teglon.